Okay, so we are going to save our lighthouse. Of course, we are going to make some changes, but as I said before, we don't want to lose our work, so we are going to save often. Right. We are going to make some windows by using a Boolean operation. So add mesh cube somewhere on the side, scale it down a little bit about the size of the window. Now scale it just on the y-axis, scale y, go to front view, scale, that's about right, I think. So just move the cube like that into the position of your window and select we need to pay attention to object's name. So this is basically here our circle, and this one is our cube. So select the lighthouse, our circle, add modifier, Boolean operation. Here we need to go for difference. In object, put the name of the cube, capital letters, because this is a case sensitive, cube, apply. And now when you move the cube, you see we have a window cutted in our lighthouse. Press F12 to render, and yeah, you can see that. We need to make a few more windows too, so go to front view and just do the same thing again. Select the lighthouse, add modifier, Boolean operation, difference, object, put a cube, press enter, apply, and we have another window cut it out of. Go to front view, rotate our cube, press R and Z, control and rotate 90 degrees. Now just move it here, press 3 to go to side view, and again select our lighthouse, add modifier Boolean, a difference, object is gonna be our cube, enter, apply, and one more time. That's just about right. Select the lighthouse, add modifier Boolean, difference, object, cube, enter, apply. And now we have our windows cutted. We can select the cube, press X, erase selected objects. We don't need you anymore. Thank you very much. Press F12 to render, and we see, okay, from the two windows are from the opposite side. It doesn't matter at the moment. Right. Press 1. Now select the whole thing and go to edit mode. Press Z to go to wireframe mode. We need to separate these parts of our lighthouse to give them different textures or materials. So press B for a box selection tool. Select like roof. Make sure that it's all selected. Press 1, yeah, and P, separate selected. Box B, box selection again. Select this one. P, separate selected, B for box selection, P separate selected. Alright, and now when we are going by pressing tab out of edit mode, press Z, you see that we have basically 4 separated meshes here. This one we need to create some windows for our light beam light shine through, so we have selected this. Select the faces mode, press A to deselect, and now select this one to turn occlude background geometry. Yeah, because we have 32 divisions, we need to erase 3 and leave 1, and do it all around the thing, and because there's 32 divisions, that's gonna work. Yeah, so hold down the shift and select 1, 2, 3, press X, erase faces. We have our first kind of window. Hold down the shift key, 1, 2, 3, X, faces. Hold down the shift key, 1, 2, 3, X, erase faces. Hold down the shift key, right mouse button, click 1, 2, 3, X to erase faces. Shift 1, 2, 3, X, erase faces. Shift right mouse button, click 3 times, X, erase faces. Shift 1, 2, 3, X to erase faces, and last one, 1, 2, 3, X, erase faces. Press tab to go out of edit mode. You see we have our windows here created. Very nice. So now we need to put some textures, and then we can join the meshes back together. Right, let's start with a base. Go to shaders, materials, add new, shaders, specularity down, because not to 0 but to about 15. Add new texture, I'll go for image because I have some images ready. Control and load. My desktop. I'm going to use this nice texture. Okay, if we'll render it now, see that it's not right because we need to make some changes here, and it's easy to do. Go to material, map input, from flat, change it from flat to tube, F12 to render, and you see it's much better. Texture is just too we need to scale it down a little bit to make it look more realistic, so press the texture button, and here by X map image, press X repeat, change it to 2, or we can make it 3. Render. This is definitely much better. Again, as we did with our ground, we can give to our texture some depth, so we're gonna do it by clicking map to normals and to about 3. Render, F12 to render. Yeah, it's apparently working. Okay, this thing here we could eventually put the same texture to that, so by materials here you can use the same thing, but with this one we don't